Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I did receive the new Haus Laboratories new brow pencils, which I am really excited about. I feel like I always like playing with my brows, and lately I've been changing them up. Like I do like a bushy brow one day, and then I do like a soap brow the other day, and then I do like a microbladed brow another day. I don't know, I'm just really dealing with my brows right now, but I actually don't hate them either. So I'm excited to try this out. They did send this over to me. They sent me 4 pencils, which I have right here. I got the shades medium brown, ash brown, soft brown, and noir, which is like black. I typically always do dark brown. That's the kind of shade that I go for all the time, and those are the ones that I always pick. So we're gonna see which one of these fit me. I do want to tell you guys a little bit more about this. I'm gonna be posting the price right here for you guys. In this little paper, it tells you which brow shade is for you, especially if you're blonde, brunette, black, or red. So if you're in the blonde section, they recommend you using soft blonde, which is a neutral undertone. They also have medium blonde, which is neutral undertone, recommended for light to medium blonde and light brown hair. And then there's taupe, which is a cool undertone, recommended for medium to dark blonde hair. Then for the brunettes, which I feel like that's the kind of category I am in. Even though my hair looks dark, it's actually not that dark. It's like, well, it is dark. It's like a dark brown, but it's not black. Does that make sense? So for brunettes, you are in the section where it says taupe brown. This is for warm, neutral undertones, recommended for dark blonde and light brown hair. The next one, it is soft brown. That is for warm, neutral undertone, recommended for light to medium brown and gray hair. So if you have gray hair, this one's kind of for you. A soft brown. Now we have medium brown, which is a neutral undertone, recommended for medium brown hair. Then we have ash brown, cool undertone, recommended for medium to dark brown hair. Dark brown, which is the one that I use, which I don't think I received that color. This one, it is for neutral undertone, recommended for medium to dark brown hair / black hair. That's where I feel like I am there, because if I see my hair in the sun, it is like a dark brown. It is not black at all. And then we have the black, which is granite gray, which is neutral undertone, recommended for deep brown, black, and gray hair. We have brown black, which is warm undertone, recommended for deep brown and soft black hair. If anything, I feel like that's the one that I have here. Which one did they send me? I think I have ash brown, soft brown, and medium brown. No, I actually don't have none of the dark ones. They have noir, which is neutral undertone, recommended for deep brown and black hair. If anything, I'm going to try that one, but I don't tend to go that dark on my brows. Now, we also have ones for red hair. So if you had red hair, you can go ahead and use auburn and cinnamon. Auburn is for neutral undertone, recommended for traditional red hair. And there's also cinnamon, which is warm undertone, recommended for strawberry blonde and light red hair. So I just want to tell you guys that because it has all the information here, just in case you guys were wondering. I'm pretty sure they have all this information in their website, which they actually are going to be launching this on March 9th, if I'm not mistaken. If I have the date wrong, I will update it here in the description box. So this is noir. It looks like this. This is, ooh, it's really creamy. So that is noir. Is it noir or noir? Noir, I don't even know. And then we have medium brown. We're gonna go ahead and do this, and the point looks like this. Really basic. It's not like nothing crazy. My nail, don't bother with this nail. And we're gonna swatch that one right next to noir, which I feel like I'm gonna be using this one, because I feel like, I don't know, I'm like in between, because I'm not sure. Maybe noir. I have to see how I want to do it. Now, we're going to go in with ash brown here, so you can swatch that. We're going to swatch it right over here. So that is how it's looking. And we're going to go in here with soft brown. You can tell this one's really light. I feel like this one's perfect for girls that have like blondish brown hair. And it looks like that. So those are the colors. Look like this. I'm going to lower the light a little bit down so you guys can see how it looks. So it looks like this. Don't mind my arm hair or hand hair, but it looks like that. I actually really like them. I feel like they're cool. I wish they had sent me the dark brown because that's the one that I use the most. So let's just go ahead and get started with this. So on my brows, I have been using this Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their brow freeze. I've been liking this a lot. I've been using it all the time and it looks like that. So I'm going to be placing this on one of the brows and then the other one I won't. So we're going to just go ahead and add it on this brow, because I'm going to use it on one of the brows that have this and then the other one that doesn't, because I want to see how I can make this work. And it looks like that so far. So I have decided that I'm going to be using Noir, which is like the black one, which I feel like that's the closest one I can get to. The other ones, I feel like they are a little bit too dark for me, too light. Actually, I don't even know. Should I try that one or should I try medium brown? Let me try medium brown and see how that works. We're going to go ahead and start using this on this side. It also comes with a little spoolie on the other side, so you can kind of fix your brows, which I actually like it. Looks really, really nice. I want to start working it in. Okay, that's actually not bad. It's super easy and it's like really creamy. Okay, wow, that was really easy to use. I actually like this a lot. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try doing this on this side now that I have some brow freeze product. We're gonna go ahead and try it out and see if it works. So this is how the brows are looking. I actually like it a lot, you guys. I feel like it worked really, really nicely with this brow that which has the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow freeze product, and I like that a lot. It made my brows, it made it really easy to use, which I like a lot, and I am going to use it again. And I actually really like the color was it medium brown on me, because I feel like I don't want my brows to look too dark. I just wanted to give it a little bit more of a like shape and all that stuff, and it actually looks really, really nice. So if you have like hair like mine, I would highly recommend using the medium brown. Of course, you can go ahead and use the dark brown like I would use too, but this one's actually not bad if you want it to look more natural. I actually like it a lot. It feels really, really nice and it looks really good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to grab the brow freeze and I'm going to be using it on my other brow, which is already basically done. And I'm just going to fix it up a little bit and shape it and see how that works. Ooh, that looks really nice. I actually really like how this is making my brows look. I love this. Wow. This is actually really nice. I know there's so many brow products out there, but I actually like it for them launching their first brow product. I think they did a good job. So if you guys are into Haus Laboratories and like their products and you guys want to check them out, you can go ahead and do that. I actually like them. I don't see there's nothing wrong with them. The colors are nice. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below of this product. If you're going to grab it, what do you guys think? And if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below. And if you guys are not part of my family and want to be part of my little fam, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell notification to know when I post another video. And I also do want to say that I am having like a little sale on my Etsy. I sell little crystal jewelries if you guys are new to my channel. And I have these are the new ones that I'm selling. These are the yellow tiger eye stones, and these are in brass and in silver. And I'm also selling this cute little clear quartz necklace, and it's wired wrapped and it's like the raw stone. So if you guys are into crystals, make sure you guys check out my little website. I do have 20% off on certain items because I am celebrating the International Women's Day. And so you guys can go ahead and shop there. I am selling this one for $13 and I'm selling these rings for $8. I have more crystal rings on my website or my Etsy actually. So if you guys want to check them out, I'm selling them for $8 and I have more colors if you guys want to see that. Thank you guys so much. And if you guys are not following me on my Instagram and Twitter and TikTok, make sure you guys are following me there, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, so I want to show you guys really quick how my brows look in the daylight. This is how they're looking, and honestly, they just make my brows look more natural. I actually like that shade, so I recommend that shade if you guys are interested in that medium brown. If you guys have dark brown hair like me, I would recommend medium brown because I feel like it's just gonna make your brows look really, really nice and really natural. It's not gonna be too much. So just in case you guys are wondering, I just really want to show you guys how it looks in the daylight. And yeah, I think that's gonna be the end of this video. So I'll see you guys next time, and don't forget to check out my little shop at Etsy. And that's it.